And we are back for one more video. So last time we have completed episode number 5 and 6 of Vinland Saga, and now 5 years have passed since we started the series. The day that Thorfinn left his village, I mean the year that Thorfinn left his village was 1002, and now currently we are in I think 1007 or 8 something, and now he has become expert in using his sword. He can now kill the small soldiers. We still don't know if he can fight the big ones, I mean the expert ones that were the level of Loki and his dad, but yeah, he can kill the ground level ones, so he can defeat them easily. He is an expert now, but now he now is a becoming a warrior, and that's why now he will have to face the warrior's burden, like what I said in the last end of the last video, because a woman and a girl helped him, and then he helped the pirates attack the same village that the woman and the girl were from. So, and the pirates take the woman, like in the last video we saw that he was asking for women in exchange for defeating somebody. I forgot who that was. So for that they were it was like a business for them. So that pirates, they don't have any morals, I think so, because pirates don't have any. Some pirates do, but this one I don't think so. So they, I don't know what happened, we don't know what happened to that woman and the girl. Did they kill them or take them with them, or just left them, or did they succeeded in escape? Because some people started escaping when they saw the ships, when they heard the noise of the drums. So we don't really know what happened, because when it was shown that woman was standing there and then the pirates came and she disappeared. So should I consider that they killed her, or what happened? Because Thorfinn was like Thorfinn's face after that, Thorfinn's reaction, that was shocking, because a kid should not endure that at such a age. Sure, if he was 30, 40 something, that would have been, I mean, it is not okay for anybody of any age, but still in this world we can say that it's fine for if the person is older. But he was just a kid, he was not even the age of, he is not even the age of that son-in-law of Thor's. I am calling, I don't know his name, because Thor's was like, yeah, you will have to marry my girl. I am calling him his son-in-law. So he was not even of his age. Thor's Finn is still a kid, even after 5 years. So it's not the age that he should, experience all that stuff. He should endure all that stuff. He should have the warrior's burden, because that's what is now starting, and we need to see that what path does he choose for that. Will he forget everything? Will he do, I mean, will he try to escape from everything, or will he accept the guilt? And then, because living under guilt is very painful thing, you need to at least accept your past, because the guilt, he that won't hit him now, but after 10 to 20 years that would be very, the pressure of that burden would almost kill him. So we need to see how, what he does. Will he, is he going to be like this only during the starting, or will he do this till the end? And then we need to, if he does it till the end, then we need to see how he handles the burden. So let's see what happens in today's episode number 7 and 8, and let's see what Thorfinn does. Let's go. Episode number 7.
マーシュラッド、このまま冬を越すのはちと寂しくねえか。 めぼしい村は平らげちまったしよ。
Then you should have saved some.
どうするつもりだ。
どうするもこうするも渡り鳥と一緒さ。餌の
Migrate?
ところに移動する
Oh.
だけよ。
So where now? France. Okay. Now we have left England and we are at France.
ラムダ石見兵集まれ。怒号の本拠地ってどこか。どうだ、お宝の匂いがプンプンしねえか。
おお、これが狙いってわけか。やるか、アシュラット。
攻め手につくぞ。宝箱をぶっ壊して中身をこっそりいただこう。よっしゃ、こんなど田舎でどうするつもりかと思ったけど、さすがアシュラットだぜ。やっぱ狩猟の読みは間違いねえ。イングランドで稼げなかった分取り戻す。そんじゃトロフィー出番だよ。
So now Thorfinn has grown up. And this is what I said. Now he has at least become the age of him. No, not yet. No, he is still small.
攻め手の親分に渡りをつけといて。工場はこうだ。貴殿の戦は下手だ。見るに耐えん。よって我が兵団お助け申す。千載一遇渡りに船。必ずや汝らを勝利へ導くであろう。砦が落ちた暁には戦利品の半分を所望する。
Why just have?
再び突撃されよ。
Oh,
伝えた
okay.
ら奴らの兵に残って状況を見張れ。分かったら行け。あ、どうした？行けよトロフィー。
Well, don't you think it's time
どれ
for.
だけ殺したと思ってる。
Yeah.
手柄は十分に立てた。なのにてめえは
なんだ、褒美が欲しいのか。交渉成立なら金貨3枚くれてやるよ。
He doesn't want gold.
ざけんな。
He wants
逃げ回
you.
ってるつもりだ。
怖い。からかっただけだって。
Well, I
だ
guess.
がな、それなら兜首の一つくらい取ってこなきゃならんだろうぜ。
When are they going to duel then? By the end of season 1?
なんじゃわっぱ、ガキの来るところじゃねえぞこら。
I am a messenger.
した。
Yeah.
どれも話せるやつはいるか。
なんだこのガキ。何語だ？フランク人じゃねえな。砦のやつらのスパイか？
ま、トラ
I don't think so.
俺は軍師だ。ノルド語を話せるやつはいるか。小僧でもわかる。正門ばかり攻めても兵が死ぬだけだ。湖の防備は薄い。俺たちはそこを叩く。
朝知恵だな。湖に至る川は登るにつれ勾配がきつくなる。天津さえ滝もあるのだ。我々の船も下流で往生しておる。湖から攻撃せぬのはそういうことだ。
Well, they are expert. You don't need to tell them.
断るかこの話。ならばアシュラットの兵100人は砦側と手を結ぶ。俺が死んだ場合も同じだ。商談成立の合図がない場合、北海の猛者100人がお前の敵になる。
Well, that is a.
よかろ
閣下。
う。だが貴様の言葉が偽りであればその首を切り落とす。誠であればイエス・キリストの名においてパンを等しく分かち合おう。
俺の探検を返してくれ。親父の形見なんだ。
トルフィンからの知らせだ。高く1本、低く2本。
急ぐぜ。月が昇りきる前に峠を越えるぞ。
Huh? Okay, that's the ship. How are they putting the ship upstream?
小僧、貴
Yeah,
様
what?
の仲間コヌではないか。
They are already here.
もう日が昇ってしまったぞ。
もう日が昇ってしまったぞ。
いいから突撃しろテーブ。
今なんか悪口言ったで。どうやら貴様の首は今宵の余興になりそうだな。
Just start attacking as he says and try it.
全身用意。
いかん、始まっちまった。出遅れたぞ。
Wow, be wow.
気合を入れる。
How can you be late for this? I thought you were already there. Oh. That's, I guess that's acid.
西側にもはしごをかけろ。規制をいとうな。
おい、敵の大将はドイツだ。
ああ、金飾りのついた兜が見えるだろう。あいつだ。
That is easy to. Oh, he he needs to bring a head with the helmet. Oh, oh, they are carrying it with their hands. Huh? Wow. So yeah, that's what that was. They couldn't go up the waterfall, so they went up the mountain with holding their ships in their hands.
お粗末だぜ。湖側は防壁どころか絶好の浅瀬なんだもんよ。
Yes, it was open. They kept the riverside open. Wow. Not a single.
この距離で盾を貫きやがった。
Oh. Their arrows are strong.
石海か。
Okay,
多少
crossbow.
損害が出るな。
今なら格好の的だ。上陸される前にできるだけ。
You got something else to handle. Okay, bye bye. Oh no. No. He can't let the head get away.
なんだ。
How are you going to defeat them?
お待つかが。
わしのた
有力者の家や教会も荒らされております。金のものは何もかも。
Now, do you really think that you would win against them?
おさに申し上げる。戦利品の半分として貴殿は勝利を、我らは財宝を。
生きてたのか。
Of course he is.
アシュラット大将首だ。
へえ、取ったのか。
Now the duel.
約束だ。嫌とは言わせねえ。アイスランドの戦士トールスの子トルフィン、我が父の剣にかけてアシュラットに決闘を申し込む。
I mean,
貴君は我が父の仇であるがゆえ
if I lived with someone for 10 years,
ウォラフの子
I would be his friend.
我が祖アルトリウスの名にかけてトルフィンの挑戦を受けよう。
No matter how. Oh.
後にしてくれ今こっから逃げるぜおい野郎どもおいグズグズしてると顔を抑えられるぞ
てめえふざけんな
They are going through the waterfall. Huh? Oh, their ship did not crash. Well, it's the Viking ship. Vikings are strong, so their ship needs to be too. So now the duel. We are in the open waters now, I guess. So not now. Okay, fine. I thought he would ask him again. So now we are done with episode number 7 and the journey is going ahead. Thorfinn is becoming more stronger. Now he can kill the chief of the army. But still they are, I think they are just, the normal. I mean, the Thorfinn and the pirates are Vikings. So Vikings are normally, their build is, much bigger than the normal human beings. They are also human beings. I meant the other people like the from France and England and all that. So killing them. I mean Thorfinn, when he defeats Askeladd, that's when we can think that he has become strong. Although not as strong as his father, because his father was very strong, but still. And when after that he needs to go and defeat Floki, because he is the one that gave the orders. I think that when he defeats Askeladd would tell him that Floki is the one that gave him the orders, so then he would go to Floki and then defeat him too. So I was really thinking that in this video we would get to see Thorfinn fighting Askeladd, but yeah, he did challenge him, but due to some circumstances it was not happening. So I don't know when are we going to see it next. I did say that maybe at the end of season 1 he would defeat Askeladd, but that would be a lot of stretch because the pacing is very fast, not like other animes like Dragon Ball or One Piece. It is going, right now 10 years have passed and he is becoming stronger pretty quickly and they are defeating enemies on enemies. So he needs to now challenge him for the duel now. In this video or the next, or in the next 2-3 videos. We can't wait till the end for him to challenge him, because that would take a long time, I think so maybe, I don't know. Let's see what happens in the next episode. Does he challenge him again for the duel, or something else comes up? Let's see. Episode number 8.
ところでおじき立ち会いに頼んでもいいかな晩飯前に決闘の用
Oh, they are fighting right now. Yeah! That's what I
役
thought.
に立たないのは奴隷のせいじゃないぜあんたの使い方が下手なんだよ
Yeah.
どんなやつにでも上手に使うコツってのがあるもんさ
Well, we will see who is strong.
による彼の父親の敵討ちである以上容赦いいはないか
ない
ないよ
では始め
Let's see, can Thorfinn win? He has experience now of fighting, but
お前背伸びたな
oh, nice. What now? You can't keep retreating every time. You still need to do something about that.
なあトロフィー、お前の親父あれなんつったかな。
Why is he?
ドールスだ。
トールズ、そうそう、いかんな、年取ると物忘れがな。
I think he is, you know,
いやでもさ、
he's
実際こ
doing
うやって
that.
敵討ちなんてやってる最中に申し訳ないけど、ほら、
Yeah, so hot.
俺いっぱい殺してるからさ、思い出せないんだよ、君の父上のこと。俺本当に殺したかな、トーリルさんを。なあ、俺どうやって殺したっけ？ひょっとしてお前の
はい
ってことはないかね。
Oh, why would you even do that?
正々堂々戦えば父上は貴様なんかに負けなかった。
I mean,
貴様はあの時俺を
he might be trying to distract.
ああ、はいはい、思い出した。ガキの命と引き換えに剣を捨てたあのバカだ。
Yeah, he wants to distract his mind. He knew that when, yeah, Thorfinn would make some mistake.
今何した？
Yeah, he hasn't learned to control his mind.
熱くなっちゃダメ。修行が足りないぜ、ボー。
Yeah. He has trained his body but not his mind, so he needs more time for that. He needs to stay calm and all during a fight.
悔しいかチビスケ、仕返ししたいか。俺の子だからな、仕返しすんなって言っても無駄だろうし。困ったな、どう言えばいいのか。自分の力で気づくしかないのかもな。言っただろう、お前には敵などいない。誰にも敵などいないんだ。
No one has enemies.
逃げて、どこまでも逃げて、海の彼方まで逃げ切ったら、そこには何があるのかしら。きっと何もないわね。どこまで行ってもここと同じ戦と奴隷商人がいるだけ。
Well, you wouldn't know unless you go there. There might be some place called Vinland.
はるか西、海の向こうに
Yeah.
フィンランドという名の土地がある。そこは暖かく豊かで、奴隷商人も戦の炎も届かない遠い地。そこなら誰も追っては来れない。
そんなところが本当に。
And we have completed episode number 8, and now it has been 11 years since Thorfinn has left his village, his home, and now Denmark is attacking England. So I didn't see Thorfinn there, but yeah, Askeladd is marching the forces. I mean, he is in charge of the forces that are attacking currently. There might be different, units, but he is the leader of one of those units. So I don't know if there are many or it is just his, but I think so. I don't know. But the fighting has started and they are now in London. They are attacking England and now they have reached London in just 2 months. They have started attacking in August and now in October they are in London. So, and now they are facing the English forces in even the, I don't know what the blue arrow was. I think I would consider that as England, because the red arrow that came from the top, that was the Vikings. And I guess I will think that the blue arrow that came from the down, that was England. And now they are facing some, opposition. Until now they did it pretty quickly. The 5 villages or cities, whatever that is, they captured quickly, but now they are facing some opposition in London. And we need to see what happens if Thorfinn does something, pretty, or he learns something there, something new, how to control his anger, his mind, how to, develop himself further in order to beat, what was it? I forgot his name. What was the name of that pirate leader? Askeladd. In order to defeat Askeladd, what new things he needs to learn, how he needs to control his anger, and how he needs to, focus on himself and his development basically. So let's see what happens in the next video, and until then, you know what to do. Enjoy. Bye bye.